You know it. You see it.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Now y'all know how much I absolutely love an at-home skincare device. I want to give a huge thank you to my friends over at L&L Skin for sending over their 3-in-1 RF EMS ultrasonic skincare rejuvenation device. This is so cutely packaged and it comes with absolutely everything that you'll need for the ultimate skincare routine at home. In the box, it actually includes the device itself, which would make such a good gift this time of year for anyone that is looking for a more glowy overall youthful appearance to their skin. Some of the benefits that this device provides are a decrease in the look of wrinkles and fine lines, a more sculpted look to your face with more contouring, as well as an overall glow and boost in collagen production. If you're looking for a device that does it all for the convenience of using it at your leisure in your own home, and if you're trying to get salon results, this is definitely something that I would recommend. So I'm going to show you guys how I work it into my routine to get an overall more sculpted and glowy look. This device has 3 modes, including sonic mode, radio frequency mode, and then also electric muscle stimulation mode. The first step is to remove the cap, and you're going to use one of the included cotton rounds. I'm actually using 2 and the ring provided to secure it in place. And then I'm going to use my go-to toner and put a few drops, and I'm going to turn the device on to sonic mode. When you use this, it feels like a gentle vibration. It's very soothing to the face, and this is going to help exfoliate any texture and help the toner actually work itself into the skin for a nice deeper clean. This device can be worked into your skincare routine 2 to 3 times out of the week, and I think to get the best benefits you definitely want to be consistent. So I'm going to move on to the next step, which is the radio frequency mode. So I'm going to go in with a water-based product. You could also use a gel-based product. Anything that's going to help this glide evenly and more smoothly across the skin is going to be your best bet. So this has an auto shut off after 5 minutes, and some of the benefits of the RF mode include, first of all, it heats up on the skin, which is a really nice soothing sensation, and I wasn't expecting that, but it helps to stimulate new collagen production for tighter, firmer, more lifted skin, and it helps to smooth and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So I think this is an amazing device to use if you have aging skin or any of those concerns that maybe you want to target. Next, I'm going to go in with a serum, something to help this, again, glide across the face for the electric muscle stimulation mode, also seen as EMS when you turn the device on. This mode was really interesting. I will say this is something I'd probably use maybe 1 to 2 times out of the week. This, I'm just gliding along my jawline, on my cheek area, around the cheekbones, and there's 2 levels to this. I'm actually using the first level because when I first used the highest setting, I was a little unprepared because it kind of feels like electricity. I don't know how else to explain it. It's all in the name, but this will really help to tighten up and firm any sagging areas and really sculpt out your cheekbones and your jawline to improve overall firmness in the skin. And because of the electric muscle stimulation, it will help to increase the blood flow and drain the lymphatic nodes. So definitely check out this device over at L&L Skin and be sure to use the discount code KaylaL30 to save. My skin was left feeling more glowy and lifted and so much more smooth in texture, so I definitely would recommend this device if you're looking to improve your skincare routine.
I'm back, guys. I feel like I haven't vlogged much today, but I made way too much beef stew. Like, I still have so much left, and girl, I've been eating on it for 2 days. So I'm gonna bring my brother and sister some dinner tonight. I'm gonna bring them some biscuits. I have some rice. I don't know if they have rice. I'm gonna bring that, and then I also baked the pumpkin banana bread muffins, and obviously I've been also eating these too. They're really good. I would make these again for sure, especially for like not November, Thanksgiving. I think that'd be really fun to bring. So I'm gonna keep 4 and then bring these over there tonight. And I'm gonna run and get Leroy a new leash and collar because his has been broken for a couple of days. It's been kind of annoying me, so I'm gonna grab that while I'm out. I'm also waiting for my Gymshark package to come. It said it's gonna be out for delivery by 9 o'clock tonight. So I'll hang out with my brother and sister for a couple hours. This should be enough for 2 people. I'm gonna add rice, it's gonna be bulked up. And And then I'm gonna bring like 4 of these biscuits, right? Yeah, that should be good. So yeah, I'm gonna change too because I want to look a little presentable, but still cozy. And I might make myself a chai latte to go. I just made myself a salad, so I don't really need to eat until I get home. Probably gonna be out late, to be honest, depending on when my delivery comes. And oh, I made breakfast with you. I had the best avocados today. So I'm back in my avocado toast era, thank goodness. And that salad, like having all the fresh raw veggies and fruits. I had a ginger shot this morning. Girl, I'm just feeling so good right now. So definitely gonna have more of that. And I'm not gonna bring Leroy just because I have to run errands before. I think the sporting goods store closes at 9. So, and the sun is setting right now. I didn't want to leave right now when the sun is going to be glaring in my eye through the drive, but I'm looking for those Sambas, and they said that they have them in stock in location in my size in the colorway that I've been wanting to get. That's why I was like, let me put on a cute outfit. That way when I try them on, I can kind of get the vibe of like, will it fit with my wardrobe and my style? And they're brown. Like I want the brown colorway because there's so much brown that I wear. Like it goes with green and cream and black. Even brown and gray outfits, low-key really cute. Burgundy and brown outfits. Like I just like, I would get such good use out of a chocolate pair of shoes that are, I would say they're pretty trendy right now. They're very trendy. They're everywhere. Like that sort of slim, elongated sneaker style. So I am excited. Hopefully they fit good. On the website though, they say that they run big, but every like YouTube review I've seen says size up if you have wide feet. So that's why I wanted to get them in person and try them on. A couple vlogs ago, I did try on a pair of Sambas and another Adidas style. Adidas shoes, and the sizing is just so off. Like I have a lot of Yeezys and Yeezy slides and foam runners. They're all different sizes and they all fit small. So I don't know. I do feel like I might have to size up, and I want to try them on with a sock and everything. So I'm going to make sure that I have that on. But I've got everything that I need to bring with me. I'm going to change when I get back from taking a little Lily, and then I'm going to take the vlog out with me today. I'm not going to do makeup or anything. Like I'm literally just going to run a couple errands, and then I'm going to go hang out at the house with my brother and my sister. And it's been so nice because a couple days ago I went over there and we were just chatting at the dinner table. I had picked up some food on the way home, and I was like, oh, traffic is so bad, let me just stop by and hang out. And it was just so nice just to like catch up and just see my brother and my sister, you know what I mean? So it's just really nice. So I had texted them, not in the family group chat because we have the family group chat, and then it's me, my brother, my sister in our group chat, and then I have another family group chat with my mom and that side of the family. But I was like, yo, I made so much food, y'all want any? And they're like, yes. So I'm really excited that I don't know, I'm taking after my dad. He's the cook in the house, right? So I always feel like I have big shoes to fill, and I hope that they like my food because I don't be cooking. I can bake, but recipes, like I'm not gonna go over there and bring some beef and rice. Like I'm sorry, but I actually made a recipe. So I was really proud of the way that it turned out for my second time making this beef stew. And I want to get into more recipes and stuff like that and cooking for my family and stuff. So that I'm excited about. But now I'm just rambling because I haven't been on the vlog at all today. I did get up my Vlogtober earlier today, and I was just kind of making my schedule for this week and making some appointments. I'm gonna catch you guys in like 30 minutes. Maybe I'll take you to the sporting goods store. I think I'm gonna go there first actually. That should be fun. I really hope they have them in stock because y'all know online sometimes it'll say that they have something and then they actually don't. They kind of look like bowling shoes, but I know they're soccer shoes. I do like this colorway too, but it needs to go with more of my fits. This stuff low-key is better than the Skims collab that they did. The Nike color palette is really cute. I can't tell if these are capri, but the burgundy, fleece crew necks, they have the fleece hoodies, they have all these cute joggers. Look at this colorway. Like, this Skims should have taken some notes. Got my shoes. I got the shoes. I'm really excited about it because I've been hunting for a chocolate colorway. There was another one that had more of like a purplish gray on the toe, and I feel like that wouldn't necessarily go with so many things. And I showed you guys in the store the color that I picked up. Honestly, I feel like they run true to size, and maybe I don't have a wide foot. They felt really comfortable and spacious for me, and I just got my true women's size. They are men's, so I am happy that I tried them on in person. I guess it just depends on how you like your shoes to fit and what your foot situation is giving. But I'm gonna spray sweater weather in the Jeep right now. I really like the My First Christmas that I got. Oh, I've been spraying that all over the apartment. Hi! Yo, I'm back. I ran so many errands. I had to leave the vlog at home because there was like 7 things I needed to do. No way I was gonna be productive in under 3 hours, which I was today. First of all, I need to try and get my money back. I ordered these gingerbread cookies on Amazon. They sent the wrong ones, and I will never buy food products from Amazon again because it's like non-refundable. Why do these have sprinkles on them? The listing did not have that. And I bought them because they are dairy free. And I bought 2 bags. Girl, I'm already trying to do Christmas content on my Kayla Lashae channel, so I did a Walmart shop with me Christmas decor. And I know we're in Vlogtober, so I don't want to confuse you guys with Christmassy stuff when we're trying to be in the fall spirit. But baby, I'm over it. So I have been Christmas decor shopping and ordering stuff online, which is basically what is in this. Like, I picked up packages today. And I need to get groceries, I need to get some gas. I'm about to take leave for WALK after I put my groceries away. So I just needed to stock up on a few things, like some broccoli. I need one of these right now, a ginger shot. I just don't want to get sick. So I'm gonna take one, and I haven't had breakfast yet, but it's pretty much lunchtime at this point. Ooh, she's spicy. So, oh my god. Okay. I got a bunch of just convenience food because I don't have like literally anything. So I grabbed these little vegetable dumplings, orange chicken. They changed the packaging on some of their orange chicken, so I got the traditional one. It's like a darker orange color now. I don't know if there's a difference in ingredients. I grabbed some chicken fried rice. I'm gonna add some egg to it to get more protein. Another bag. I'm gonna do like a charcuterie plate for like snacks just to get my protein in. And I have some bread for sandwiches, so I could do both. So we got some turkey breast, some pepperoni, more turkey. What's this? A whole bunch of salami. I did not need this much for my snack plate. And I was gonna grab like, not carrots, grapes to have something sweet, but I was like, no, I think apple slices would be really good for that too. So I think that'll be a nice little snack midday. More orange chicken and this beef and broccoli that I like to make in the air fryer. And then I just got their 80% 20 ground beef, just a couple different protein options. I have some that are frozen, but I don't really want to deal with defrosting chicken breast. Ground chicken and then chicken breast. I've been making it in the air fryer, the chicken breast, with the citrusy garlic Trader Joe's seasoning. Girl, it's so good. And then I add pepper, so it's like a lemon pepper garlic deliciousness. So we grabbed those. I got some potato chips and some pretzel crisps for some hummus. Avocados. I've been really loving avocado toast. for breakfast options. And then I was running low on my eggs. I've been adding boiled egg to my avocado toast. It's so good with some tomato slices. So I also add these in my salads and stuff. Such a staple. Hi, Levi. He loves these. I've been taking one of them and crumbling it as a kibble topper, and he will eat his food like he's obsessed with those. He can see it. How do you know that's for you? How do you know that was for you, Bubby? You're so smart. He's so smart. I got these crackers for my little charcuterie boards. I know, I'm coming. Some tomatoes. And then I got, oh, I just tried this hummus the last time. It's really good. It has olive in it, and I just kind of mix it all together. It's like a Mediterranean style. And then I got the medium salsa to put on my egg. The umami seasoning is so slept on. I love to put this on to make like savory meals. Like if I'm doing a meatloaf bowl, like a deconstructed meatloaf, this is really good with some caramelized onion and ground beef over some mashed potatoes. And I've been looking for cinnamon sticks for my holiday decor to do like a potpourri thing in like a bowl. And these were only like $2.99 each. So way cheaper than Amazon. So I grabbed 2 of these. Hopefully it's enough. So that'll go in my little Christmas decor pile. But that's what I got from Trader Joe's today. To go and do some emails. I got a DM from Lancome. I'm like, yes, put me on your PR. Okay, so I need to go reply to them and then solidify some more collaborations that I got while I was out today, which God bless, I love to have work. And somehow I managed to get my dad and stepmom, like my parents, a really cool gift. I didn't tell them I was getting them a couch, but I got them a new couch because when I was over there cleaning for the fall to declutter and organize and get my dad's man cave together, they were talking about how we need a new couch, da 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 da, and I was like, you know what, I have so many couch collabs in my email, like what am I gonna do with the couch, you know? But they need a couch. So I got tracking for that today, and I'm just gonna like surprise them and be like, hey guys, it's an early Merry Christmas gift for you. So that I'm gonna be working on within the next 2 weeks or so. So I need to just plan content and stuff like that and organize my life. I've been low-key kind of stressing with the apartment tour thing, and that's why I didn't really vlog yesterday or the day before, because it was just overwhelming. And then I finally got new neighbors over here, y'all. It's a family. They got a little kid. So I don't know. I hope it's not like a baby age where they're screaming and crying. I was taking a nap in my room yesterday, and I was woken up with screaming because baby, the walls are thin. Baby, please don't put their room right there. That's all I have to say. Is that selfish? I don't know.